everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with WorldNewHair. They sent me over this Wear and Go Ocean Wave hair, you guys. And I did not curl this hair. These are still the curls straight out of the package. Yes, ma'am. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right over here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wear and go. We're working with WorldNewHair. The packaging is so beautiful. We've got some wig caps, melting band, cute little edge brush. It got some red polka dots or glitter in them. Oh, very cute. Some press-ons, couple cards. Ooh, another baby hair brush. Listen, you can never have too many of these, okay? Then we have the wig, you guys. It is a 24-inch. This is a ocean wave. Look at this. This is pretty. So pretty. So this is a 5x5 HD lace. It is a wear and go. The knots are pre-plucked, as you can see. Let's get into the inside of the wig. The wig does have the clips on the sides. I really like these, in addition to the elastic adjustable band. And then it has the wig that is flexible, so it's going to fit snug to your head, and it does fit most head sizes as well when it has this adjustable type of cap. So the lace is pre-cut as well, which we love. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot comb and comb and lay these hairs backwards. And then we're gonna put this on real quick. It should be nice and easy. I love these curls, by the way. The curls are so freaking cute. So freaking cute. The hair smells just like regular hair, nothing too crazy. The density on this wig is really nice. It's like pretty thick. It's nice and thick. Not like overly thick though. It's probably like 150, 180. But yes, 24 inches. But yes, let's go ahead and get into it. This should be really easy to install. It's a wear and go, so you should be able to do like pretty much minimal maintenance on this before we install it. But I'm just going to comb it back, put some foundation on the lace real quick, and then I'll be right back. And maybe I'll put some wand curls in it or some layers or something. I don't know. If I do anything, I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and I just wide tooth combed this hair out because the curls actually look really pretty and I like them. So I just went ahead and combed them out with the wide tooth comb. Look really pretty still. I like this curl. I did go ahead and put a couple baby hairs in and put the melting band back on top of it. Also went in with the hot comb just to flatten the top part out. I really like the texture of this hair. I don't know why. It's kind of, it gives like natural kind of black girl blowout. Really pretty. I don't know. It's like thick, a little coarse, but like in the best way. I don't know how to explain it. But let's go ahead and take this little melting band off. I only had it on for a few minutes. just to lay these little baby hairs down. So let's see what it's looking like. All right, so this is what it's looking like. It actually looks really good. I did not glue the hair down, so it's still glueless, as you can see. It does look really nice. And then if you want, you can go in with your Eben spray and lay it down even more. But just this alone, it looks really, really good. I actually really love these curls. This ocean wave curl is just really cute. Really cute. I need to figure out how I can do this kind of curl more often because I love it. I love it. I really love it. And I don't know what this texture is, but y'all, it is just good. This is the type of hair that I know is going to hold a curl for a very long time. As you can tell, these curls are not going anywhere at all. So I know if I recurl this with like a curl wand or a straightener, whatever, it's gonna hold. It's gonna hold really well. Yes, so WorldNewHair is, yes, honey. One thing I would do like in the future is probably just pluck a little bit more on the perimeter, just because I like my hairline just to be a little bit more plucked, but it is ready to wear and ready to go. And especially if you don't have to curl your hair and your hair still looks like this straight out of the package, absolutely, it is a wear and go wig for sure. So it turned out really, really nicely, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description box. I'll have all the information to this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.